In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact CoinGecko customer care support. If you're running into an issue on the platform, have questions about crypto data, or just need a hand navigating features, I'll walk you through the official ways to get help quickly and safely. First, open your browser and head to the CoinGecko homepage by entering the official website address. Make sure you see the secure connection indicator in your browser so you know you're on the real site. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the footer. There you'll find a link to the Help Center. Go ahead and click that. The Help Center is the central hub for troubleshooting, guides, and getting in touch with support. On the Help Center page, start by choosing the area that best matches your issue. You'll typically see clearly labeled sections and a search bar at the top. If you can find an article that addresses your question, that's often the fastest route to a solution. Skimming a relevant guide can save time and help you frame your issue clearly if you still need to contact the team afterward. The more closely your selection matches your situation, the faster your request can be directed to the right support group. If you want quick guidance, you can also ask AI support right from the Help Center. Type your question in natural language and include key details like the page you were on, the action you took, and what went wrong. AI support is great for immediate answers to common questions and for pointing you to the exact article you need. If it doesn't fully resolve your issue, you can still proceed to contact the human support team. When you need direct assistance, look for the Submit a Request option in the Help Center. Click it to open the support form. Provide a clear subject line, then describe the problem step by step. What you expected to happen, what actually happened, any error messages, and when it occurred. Add relevant links or screenshots to help the team understand the context. Share only what's necessary to explain the issue and never include sensitive information like passwords, private keys, or recovery phrases. The clearer and more specific your description is, the faster support can help. That's it. Start at the CoinGecko homepage, open the Help Center from the footer, explore the resources, try AI support for quick guidance, and submit a request when you need hands-on help. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a speedy resolution.